What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a tutorial to show you how you can quickly and easily get to the options where you can change the autocorrect features in Excel. So to do this, you go to File, Options, and then you can go to Proofing, and then it says Autocorrect Options, change how Excel corrects the format as you type. And then here you can click Autocorrect. And this is extremely useful, so you have some quick settings right here. So for example, you can say, so you can have different things that will replace as you type. So if you type, like I do, TEH, and it autocorrects to the, but if there's different words that you spell wrong, you can have it quickly replace it with something else. You can have quick options to, for example, have it where it won't, to have it will or won't autocorrect to initial capitals where it will or won't capitalize it for letters or sentences, names, days, and so on and so forth. Also exceptions. So there are also different exceptions that you can have to for the customization as to the autocorrect options in Excel, as well as the initial caps. And you can also have different options here as well. So, for example, if you're pasting links and you don't want it to hyperlink, you can change this so it won't hyperlink if you're pasting links to the internet. Also, if you don't want it to automatically format and add new rows and columns to your table, you can click this as well. And which can be useful if you're doing things next to a table, but don't want it to be in a table. And you can also make it to where it won't fully form within a table, and just different things as well. That you can do, different things, different areas of customization as well, that it comes to whenever you can change your autocorrect options in Excel. So with that being said, I hope that you found this quick tutorial to be helpful, and if you did, please let me know, like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.